Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to find your library on Epic Games using your PC. Let's get started. First open Epic Game Launcher on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Now look at the left hand menu of the launcher. You will see your options like Store Library and Print. Click on Library. This is where all your installed and uninstalled games appear. Scroll through your library to see your games. Installed games have a launch button next to them. Games not installed will show an install button. You can search for a game if you have time. Use the search bar at the top of the library to quickly find the game you want. You can filter by installed games, uninstalled games, or platform to easily find what you are looking for. If you want to see the game installation folder, click the three dots next to the game, then select Manage. Here you can see where the game is installed, move it to another drive or uninstall it. And that's it. Just open the Epic Games launcher, click library in the left menu, scroll or search for the game and manage if needed. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.